In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. To get started, what you want to do is open up the Roblox app on your mobile device, and once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner and tap onto the more icon just down here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see the settings option, and then tap onto settings. And then from here, you want to come up to the top and tap onto account info. Now, once you're in your account info page, you want to make sure you've verified your phone number, email address, and that you have verified your age as well. As you can see for myself, I have verified my phone number, email, and birthday. And once you've completed these requirements, you should now be able to get voice chat on Roblox. So what you want to do now is come back to your settings and then tap onto the privacy and content restrictions option. From the next screen, tap onto communication, and then from here you want to tap first onto experience chat at the top and make sure this is turned on for experience and direct chat. Once you've done that, come back a screen and press onto party and party chat, and again make sure these options are switched on for party, party chat, and party voice chat. Once you've done that, you would have enabled voice chat on Roblox, and you can now start using voice chat on Roblox experiences.